Aisha. Hello, girl. How's my girl? How's your sweet little girl? What's she doing? She says, play with me, play with me. Play with me, play with me. There's that purr motor. You're a good girl. Going in circles around me. There you are. Here's a girl. Meows. I'm being circled like a shark. There's a shark circling me. Meow. Meow. Meow meows, Elsa. Meow meows. Meow meows. Meow meows. Let's go back this way. Meow meows. And this way. Meow meows. Meow meows. Good girl. You were so sweet. So sweet. Say, I'm gonna get put out in the house tomorrow after I come back from the vet. It's me, good girl. Good girl.